Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today, the signal is not just another humanoid demo. It is who is organising robotics, who is proving autonomy outdoors, and who is showing real movement on stairs. Story 1, Samsung Electronics has created a new Robotics Experience unit reporting directly into the device business leadership. That matters because Samsung already has the pieces a robot company needs: chips, memory, cameras, displays, appliances, batteries through its ecosystem, and global manufacturing discipline. The new RX office is a sign that robotics is moving from experimental side project to corporate growth category. For the visual, watch Ballie. A rolling home robot is not the same as a factory humanoid, but it is Samsung's clearest public robotics language. Physical AI inside the home tied to screens, sensors, and services. The strategic question is whether Samsung turns that into a broader robot platform. Story 2. The Robot Report's new piece on infrastructure-free robots points to the real deployment test. Can a robot work when the world has not been redesigned for it? Burro is the right example. Its field robots move through vineyards, nurseries, orchards, and outdoor work sites where GPS is imperfect, ground is uneven, light changes, and the job is messy. That is a harder benchmark than a smooth indoor demo. A field robot that can carry, tow, scout, and support attachments does not need to look human. It needs to save labor without asking a farm or industrial yard to rebuild itself around the machine. Story 3, PNDbotics brought Adam to WAIC 2026 and showed a full-size humanoid climbing stairs in public. The Adam platform is listed at 167 centimetres tall with 43 degrees of freedom, and the point of the demo is dynamic balance in an unstructured human environment. Stairs are boring for people and brutal for robots. They test foot placement, torque control, perception, recovery, and mechanical confidence all at once. If humanoids are going to work in buildings made for humans, stair climbing is not a party trick. It is table stakes. Put the three together and the robotics market looks more practical than flashy. Samsung is organising at the corporate level. Burro is proving outdoor autonomy where conditions are ugly. And PNDbotics is attacking one of the physical barriers between humanoid videos and useful deployment. Hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech for the full stories.